Good morning to all respected teachers and sirs and my dear friends. Myself K. Sumitra. I am from Government Degree College, Medak. Today representing Jignasa's student study project. Our topic name is a study on biological process of pollution using pesticides on soil earthworms. Our team head is Sir Sri M. Vinod Kumar sir, and our team members K. Pallavi, CH Akshita, K. Neelima, A. Supriya. Introduction. The complex biological system which serve to cycle organic waste materials have developed in the soil over millions of years. This process has perhaps started science life first appeared in this plant. The farmers got an immediate return with high yield. The pesticides affect mortality of earthworms by directly destroying them or by altering their physiology, their casting or rich in nutrients and benefit soil organism. It's this microbes which play a major role in determining soil fertility. These burrows can persist longer period even after the death of earthworm and helps in retains of soil moisture particularly under having heavy rainfall area. And this and next slide is explain that my friend Pallavi.
I am going to represent objectives, and it is the determination of lethal values of selected pesticides for the earthworm species like Perionyx excavators, evaluation of effects of sublethal dose of these pesticides on life history, and biochemical parameters of Perionyx excavators through laboratory bioassessing. Evaluation of sublethal dose of pesticides on change of enzymatic parameters and histopathology of intestine through studies. Designing probable management protocol for application of these pesticides in the agricultural fields. To the field data on earthworm's destiny and biomass to estimate soil turnover and properties. And these are the pictures. Research methodology. The present study was carried out on the indigenous species of epigenic earthworms. Example: Perionyx excavators. Specimens were collected from the non-agricultural lands. 4 pesticides belonging to 3 chemical categories. They are 2 herbicides, pendimethalin and tretilachlor, 1 organophosphate insecticide, that is dimethoate, 1 pyrethroid insecticide, that is hypermethrin, and we use this for bioassessing. Activities of acid phosphatase and acetylcholine esterase were suppressed, while those of alkaline phosphatase were elevated by the 2 sublethal doses of pesticides, irrespective of the types of pesticide tested. Activities of digestive enzymes, cellulase and amylase decreased after 7 to 15 days after exposure of the pesticides. However, the enzyme's activity regained from 15th day. Next slide is continued by my friend Akshita.
The next is problem statement. The biggest threats to the soil health and the pesticide and the synthetic chemical
chemicals including the fertilizers. The earthworms are the most severely hit by these xenobiotic compounds, leading to the sizable reduction of their population and adversely affecting the soil fertility. Earthworms are incredible soil organisms playing the crucial role in maintaining the soil health. Pesticides used in the crop management are known to the most over purchased and irrationally used to the soil toxicants simultaneously used insecticides contribute to the quantum of the damage to the earthworms and other non-target organisms. The next slide is explained by my friend Nirima.
Significance of the study. Earthworm has a natural tiller cast and impact of kinetic organ, matter soil constitute and microbial masses. Chemical compounds of pesticides in soil can harm the earthworm in various ways. The individual and population level parameters may be affected by the soil contaminants causing in the decreases of both population and activities of earthworms that may affect the function of soil. Creating awareness in the farmers in using vermicompost and biofertilizers. The next slide explained by my friend Supriya.
Limitations. Earthworms use wide varieties of organic materials for food and even can gain sufficient nourishment from organic matter and microorganisms in order to survive. The interactions between environmental factors influence earthworms are still limited, but work exists detailing moisture and temperature requirements as well as factors like populations and abundance in perturbed systems. Limited organic carbons in the soil, unawareness of farmers in soil life due to conventional farming. Scope of study. The use of pesticides in agriculture system results in many ecological problems. There is clear evidence that the population of earthworms and other non-target soil biota are influenced by pesticides and fertilizers used, and the impact is wide-ranging and causing the unwanted shift of the community. Initially, pesticides were used for the benefit to human life by increasing agricultural productivity and by controlling infectious diseases, but their adverse effects on human health and environment were ignored.
Thank you.